Oh, I guess you can kind of guess that from the silence of this beautiful happy planner that I forgot to turn the mic on. And you would be correct. I did. Found that out after I uploaded and went, and of course, it's not like something you can just redo because, well, it's already stuck to the picture. It did turn out really pretty because I love teal is my favorite color, and I see all the teal pumpkins that I've seen in Hobby Lobby and all that stuff, so I figured I was gonna do a teal spread. And I'm sure I probably had a whole lot of really interesting stuff to say at the very beginning of this video, but well, I'm just gonna have to guess at it because I also batch filmed this thing about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And it's almost the end of the month, and I'm just barely getting to it because, yeah, didn't know what to say. Anywho, I'm just gonna do a fast forward squirrel mode on this thing with some music that I uploaded from the really fancy YouTube studios. They had a couple cute ones that are new to this month, so I figured, what the heck, I will download them and throw them in here. So enjoy the music and the fast forward and see what this thing ends up looking like. Thank you so much. See you at the end. thank you for joining me on the Happy Planner Budgeter Pain. Thank you for joining me. I am Pain, and this is my Happy Planner. I did most of the so-called stickers off of Canva, just printed them up, and a little glue, and, you know, some leftover pieces of paper that I got on sale, and some wrapping paper that I had, and yeah, there you go. A Happy Planner for November, with my favorite colors, teal. So thank you again for joining me, and if you enjoyed this nice little music break, I hope you join me next time. Hopefully next time it'll actually have a voiceover, and you'll actually hear me go into squirrel mode. But anyways, I will see you next time. Love y'all. Bye.